Oh well. It's me. I've been washing up. I'm letting all this oily kitchenware soak in hot water. There we go. If it wasn't for the coffee, look at this. And this ginger, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's stuffy. I'd be stuffed. And you look around at what needs to be done. You get little bingo moments like, oh, hello. Here we go. Yeehaw! At least you know there's nothing wrong with that. Water brandy. Oh yeah, enough for pudding. Christmas pudding. Spices everywhere. Been washing all the dishes. Everything's clean. Pretty clean. Bench tops are done. Trying to find places to store everything. This is full. That's all clean. Even though dishwasher doesn't work. Okay. There's my audience. There you go. Wrong way. This way. Okay. Going out the back now.